Yo, what's good? I'm Jay, and the sample I'm going to be using today, as well as 20 others, are available for free in the description below, so go check them out. All the samples, including the ones that I'm going to be showcasing today, were all made with Sauceware's new plugin, Scorch. Now, I had a few days to play around with it, and I know everyone says this kind of stuff, but this plugin is ridiculous. Now, if you're a human being like myself, and you suffer from beat block before, Scorch has got you covered. Now here's a melody I made using Scorch. I'm gonna just solo the pad. Now as you can see, there's not really much going on in the piano roll, just 4 notes. But this is what they sound like. Everything you can hear is happening in the plugin. Let me show you. Scorch comes with a built-in chord generator to help you quickly come up with new ideas when you're feeling stuck. The presets in the chord generator were all inspired by Billboard charting songs, so they are the cheat code for success, my guy. For example, with this pad, I've switched on the chord generator and selected this G minor chord generator. Now, any note I play on here, will be a full, rich sounding chord. Next, I used the chord generator again with a different sound preset and just copied the exact same notes to get this. Then all I had to do was add a couple more presets and add a nice little top line and some lower frequencies. When I combine all these simple layers together, I get this. Also, if you toy around with this little wheel in the middle, you can play with a bunch of different effects. You've got your classic ADSR settings here. You can adjust the attack, decay, sustain, and release. You can also go into this effects tab here, turn this on, and play with a bunch of different effects. Plus, Scorch comes with hundreds of unique sounds, built-in effects, and a bunch of other bonuses that you'll hear about in the coming weeks when it drops. The VST is pretty much structured to a point where you don't really need any other external plugins. You can make full and complete melodies just using this thing. Anyway, it wouldn't be a full showcase if I didn't cook up a beat using one of the samples I made with Scorch, so I'm gonna hop into FL with another sample and make a drill beat. Let's go. All right, so here's another sample I made using Scorch. Let's flip it into a drill beat. So what I'm gonna do is reverse the sample. All right, let's throw in some drums. Now I'm gonna use one of my 808s. I'm gonna do some arrangement on the beat and show you guys the final result in a second. See you in a bit. Right, so I've gone in and done some arrangement on the beat and this is the final result. Woo. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Since you're done with the video, scroll down and download the free samples in the description. Every single one was made with Scorch and they're all fire. If you guys want to hear more about what this VST can do over the coming weeks, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like on it. Take care.